back and you're watching the Valentine's Day special of Let's Talk and हमारे साथ हैं अमृता जी. Let me get all filmy and all. अमृता जी जिन्होंने अपने करियर में बहुत सारी controversial फिल्में की हैं. Basically I met Isha Kopikar and I said so girlfriend के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. So
बिल्कुल नहीं.
No. She said I am proud of it because Hollywood में लोगों ने मुझे notice किया इस फिल्म के बाद and हम hypocritical society में रहते हैं and all and वहाँ पे सब चलता है अंग्रेजी फिल्में सब देखते हैं and they love it and all and हमने किया so what is there and all of that. So I asked her when I say girlfriend, who do you think of? And she said Ammu.
Wow.
So you're not that open about that film.
No, I just think it's something that's gone and it's done, and it keeps coming back somehow.
Now what to do? Yeah, it's an interesting film. That's
so,
why.
So many nice things that I'm doing, अच्छे projects हैं, but somehow people never forget that, never let me forget that. Of course, it's a film, मतलब पूरी responsibility लेनी चाहिए. It was not like I closed my eyes, I was like lost.
पता नहीं था कि
yeah, what is happening? I think all of us exactly knew. लेकिन I always maintained कि picture अच्छी थी, लेकिन जो trend चल रही थी तभी, it got confused in that whole skin flick kind of thing. It was topical and everything, but I just think it got carried away with the kind of films that people were seeing at that point. I think today if it was made, definitely
लोग ज़्यादा
accept करते थे. It's more intelligent audience and so. But of course, I mean, it's a film that I did, so I'm not going to shy away from it.
So you think you've evolved as a person and all, like जब आपने industry में कदम रखा था and first film didn't do well at all, did you think कि forget it मुझसे नहीं होने वाला मैं तो छोड़ के जा रही हूँ?
Oh no. I think everyone grows up, you know, and the kind of family I come from and everyone, they kind of always told me if this is your passion, you're going to have hits, you're going to have flops, sometimes more flops than hits. So just take it in your stride and go on. So I think I'm that sort of person. I don't let things bog me down. Of course, when you make a film and when it releases and it doesn't do well, it's like, that's it, that's the end of the world, But you just got to kind of move on. There are still things you're working on, so you can't let that affect everything. So I'm really passionate about the work I'm doing, so I think I don't let it affect me to that level of, oh my god, this is it, pack my bags and go. So I let it keep going and interesting offers keep coming and I'm working on different stuff whilst the film is not doing well. So I think that everything together just keeps you going.
आपने modeling के साथ शुरुआत की थी, फिर आप VJ रह चुके हो, and then film's natural progression था कि suddenly offer आया, so you said चलो ठीक है.
Suddenly offer आया, out of the blue. I was still at MTV. Mehul ji थे, the director producer of the film, कितने दूर कितने पास. He was watching the channel and he thought, she's sweet and whatever. So called me in, wanted to meet me, and I thought, okay, chalo, I'll just go meet him. I asked everyone who is this and what's he about and stuff. And Arbaz had come and stuff. So we all met, and before I knew it, I heard the film, and the next day I'd signed the film, and within 5 days I left for the film. So I didn't know what hit me. No time to think about anything. But it was nice. It's, I think, all part of like a nice thing that was destined to happen. But I enjoyed it, and I think everything was like a good learning experience.
Okay. And now, of course, you've got like very different roles. And how come Malaika doesn't act in films?
I think she's just happy doing what she is. I think she's the best at what she does, So she doesn't want to kind of...
ये भी कर लूँ.
Yeah, she doesn't want to get into that whole zone. And plus, she's got a family, and film needs a lot of commitment. And I don't think she's... Yeah, and she's not someone who's going to give like 60 days and travel.
Right.
She's the master of what she's doing right now. So she doesn't want to kind of be at someone else's beck and call of, 60 days and you can't come back and whatever. So
now you're related to Arbaz Khan, obviously, So ये जो Khan भाई हैं, they're very protective about you.
Well, yeah, I think to a certain level they are. I mean, but not overly. I think हम सब काफी मतलब mature हो गए and till a few years back, definitely.
Like party में would they come and stand behind you like that? And like see किससे बातें हो रही हैं?
They're not that. I think जो मतलब एक protective eye होनी चाहिए, that's always there. And it's really nice क्योंकि we don't have brothers, So obviously my natural brother is like Arbaz, who I run to and I go and tell everything to.
I believe एक film आप करने वाले थे Arbaz के साथ, and then वो romantic film हो गई, and you said मैं नहीं करूँगी.
Oh yeah, definitely. I think that's quite funny.
I'll tell you, राजेश खन्ना की शादी हुई थी डिम्पल कपाड़िया के साथ. 1 साल बाद उन्होंने एक film की थी सिंपल कपाड़िया के साथ. And it was a romantic film, and they managed.
I feel really funny because truly Arbaz is like an older brother, and then to go all romantic and have a hot song with him and all, I would be fainting on the set. So I don't want too much stress. So to solve my stress problems, I said I don't want to do this movie. But yeah, I think it's a personal thing.
तो future में अगर वो आपके भाई बने किसी फिल्म में तो ठीक है.
Future में छोड़ो, he's my husband in Hello.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now what happened?
Now I Ajli's film. You know, his brother-in-law, Arbaz's brother-in-law. There's Salman in the film, there's Sohail in the film, and there's Arbaz in the film. So I think I couldn't have walked out of a film where you have 3 of the Khan brothers. It's going to be bigger than ever.
Right.
And me opposite one of them.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be fun. And somehow, I don't know, I'll have Malaika on the set and I'll manage.
But there's no like rivalry between the two sisters and all.
Oh no, absolutely not. I think from the very beginning, jab se main choti thi, forget the industry or anything, my sister's always pushed me and she's always wanted the best and vice versa. And as long as it's coming to one family, who cares?
Yeah, I know. She's been through a Valentine's Day alone, and आज भी, you know, उस्मा नहीं आ पाए हैं, इसलिए we've thought कि we'll spend time with her, you know. So अगर आप घर में अकेले बैठे हो, there is no need to be depressed. हम भी हैं आपके साथ in the same boat. Lots more conversation with Amrita coming up on Let's Talk, पर उससे पहले gift number 2. Alright, let's find out some more about Amrita. एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद आप देखते रहिए Let's Talk का स्पेशल Valentine's Day